Hey there, Lennar fans. Roberto Lee here with Pinnacle Property, and today we are doing an agent preview of Terrace Condo Unit 143 here at Bonita National. This is part of the Terrace line of condos that you're going to find at Bonita National and many of the Lennar's Southwest Florida communities. This particular floor plan is the Antonia, just under 1,200 square foot, 2 beds, 2 bath. And it is a non-golf condo, so you don't have any golf dues or membership with this unit. Let's run inside, take a look here. On the Antonia floor plan, as you come in, the kitchen's to the left. Got a nice little eat-in kitchen area here that these folks have as a little sitting room space. And then you've got your kitchen here with a full stainless appliance package. And this all overlooks your great room area. Now, this particular condo is a top floor unit, so you're going to get some massive views of the lake here. And we'll get to that here soon, but first, we've got the guest bedroom here. And the guest bedroom has the bifold style closets. And just across from that is the guest bath. You got the singular sink, the commode, your combination tub and shower. And here in the Antonia, your laundry space is right here in the bathroom. Now coming back out to the main area, you've got your dining space here, plenty of room at the countertop for additional bar stools here. But you've got your nice 6-top table here and your great room. And this home is being sold with the furnishings, so all of these items do come inclusive in the sale of the property. And this is all overlooking your kitchen. Real nice unit here. Now, last but not least, we've got the master bedroom for the interior, and then we'll focus on the exterior space here. That's a king-size bed there for perspective. So nice little set here in the master. And that brings us over to your closets. So you've got 2 closets here. Walk-in style closets. You've got an additional table here that comes with the unit. And on the other side here, the other walk-in closet, you've got an additional end table right there as well. And then for the master bath, you've got your singular sink, the commode. You do have a linen closet here. And you've got the standalone shower with the glass shower door here. Last but not least, the views. So this is an amazing view overlooking the lake here at Bonita National. This building here, building number 1, sits right next to the amenities center here. So your tennis, your pool, your clubhouse, it's all right next door to you. It's walking distance. And while it may be a little gloomy sky today, it's definitely not a gloomy unit. This is a fantastic view, long lake views here. It's an awesome condo. All right, here, folks, if you're interested in this home, you can reach us at all of the contact information below. For Pinnacle Property, this is Roberto Lee, and we appreciate you watching.